A monarchy is a form of government where a monarch, such as a king or queen, functions as the head of state. Narmer became the first pharaoh or king of Egypt after unifying Upper and Lower Egypt, establishing the First Dynasty. Monarchs often asserted that their right to rule was derived from the will of a deity. This created dynastic rulers, with the throne being passed down through the royal family in a sequence known as the line of succession. When Kinmei became emperor of Japan, he established the House of Yamato, a continuous hereditary monarchy that is nearly 1,500 years old. Most modern monarchies are constitutional, with members of the royal family serving as ceremonial leaders without any real governing power.